Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a special type of Pro V-Am here. It's almost like a ball review. We'll do a ball review with Lance, but we have Equinox Hybrid from Storm. And that's not the only thing we have from Storm. We have two members of our social media team that make us look great because we typically don't do a great job of making ourselves look good. But we have Yannick, and we have Tyler. Appreciate you guys being on the channel. We are going to be throwing this Equinox Hybrid thing. So we have the third installment here, Equinox Hybrid. It smells like orange. I actually really like the smell. Hybrid version, A2S cover stock. And we'll try to get all the secrets out of these guys. But make sure you guys stay until the end of the video. We're gonna have a secret surprise for you guys. With that being said, let's get into it. Guests go first. Special format for them today. They're bowling Baker against me. I'm bowling a full game, but they get a mulligan. So if their first shot isn't what they want it to be, they can take another shot. But it gets kind of risky, right? Like if you guys get 9 and you're on a double and you want to try to throw a strike, you could decide if you want to get that mulligan in. But if not, you risk maybe splitting in an open frame. But yeah, with that being said, let's get it on. They call this the Bowlers Company for a reason.
I'm going first. I'm Tyler, video content creator for Storm. First shot here, let's see what we got. Equinox Hybrid.
Nice. I brought 2 of these joints with me. I can't get them the layout though. Yeah, I figured it out. You gotta pay all your layouts. If you guys do want to see the layouts on these balls, I post them on Patreon. Every single layout, every ball I drill. Head over there and check it out. I don't think we're bowling on the normal house shot. It feels a lot slicker. The lane man Simo put out a pattern for us. Oh, that was so good. Ooh. Hang on a second, here we go.
All right.
What's this thing supposed to be?
A ball that does it all. A big ball that you can use for longer.
So it's big, it reads the lane early enough, it's clean, and it's continuous, and it strikes a lot.
Anything you want for the house shot, this is
Everything that everyone says about bowling balls is this ball.
Correct, all blended together. So I'm Yannick Roos, I'm social media manager at
I hope you
Storm.
guys know we're kidding.
And
we're not,
we're about to strike right here.
Oh, that looks kind of nice.
Woo!
It does it all.
Yes,
it
sir.
all.
Maybe we're not joking.
Yeah, maybe we're not. What frame should we tell them? When the game is so close.
I think we gotta let them wait just a little bit.
Gotta sauce it.
You guys gotta watch the full video.
Everyone's gonna be like, oh, we know what it is. We know what they're gonna do.
They don't know.
They don't know, but they probably do know. I think that needs to hook.
Okay.
All right.
Wait.
2 for 2.
Wait.
There you go.
Do you guys think this is going to be the best one out of the 3?
I think for sure.
For sure.
For sure. Going right to it.
I like the colors. I personally like darker bowling balls. I thought the first one looked good.
Yeah.
I think this is more strikes than we threw the entire time we were warming up.
For sure. Fell off, but hey.
We're just lights on bowling.
The Equinox does it itself.
It does it all. 3 very different types of players. I mean, Tyler and I are similar in the fact that we're two-handed, but let's see what we got here. It's my job to just talk them up, right?
For sure.
Say the right. I try to be transparent. And if I don't love a bowling ball, I'll be like, yeah, you know, maybe this one doesn't make the tournament bag. This one's got some potential.
Look at that rack.
This is bad rack lane 4.
I think we're going for it.
Hang on, what do we got going on here? That's a new one. The left side is getting tighter and tighter. Usually the right side's mega wide, but it looks kind of normal on the right.
Let's see.
Play the rack. Play the rack.
Play the rack.
rack.
Yes, sir.
Play the rack.
That's what you do.
The Bowlers Company, play the rack. It does it all. I started doing that in league. Like if the right side's tight, I'll throw a backup ball. No, I throw a backup ball. I won a tournament over the weekend where the left side of the lane was much better than the right. Yeah. And I was like, I feel like I should. I couldn't keep it on the left side of the head pin.
Yeah.
Guys, I might be in trouble here. There's no handicap though, so that's the saving grace. That's left.
All right.
I don't know what Simo put out, but they don't feel super easy. They're kind of flat.
They are flat, which makes us believe that Equinox Hybrid's working its magic.
It's true. What do I do here?
Should we just do
Backup ball?
Yeah, you can.
And
I was gonna say you could just give yourself the spare, but I don't know.
No. I've been doing this how to bowl on pattern series.
Okay.
And I bowled 300 both the first 2 videos. The second one, I go to junior gold. This kid's like, "Did you fake it?" And I'm like, "What? What do you mean?" He's like, "Yeah, man. Like, there's no way you bowl 300 twice." I went, "Dude, I couldn't care less about 300. You think I would go through the effort to doctor the video?"
Darren said he's going back up.
Oh, hook.
Go.
Oh, it does it all.
Does it all.
Yeah,
Does
ask
it
for
all.
hook. Is that going to be the slogan for this ball?
I think that's it.
Does it all.
Does it all.
I do feel like hybrid bowling balls are like that.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
either do it all or they don't do it at all.
Yep.
It's all or nothing. Because I remember the Code Red when is this the new Code Red? I threw that on everything. Medium, short, long, house pattern. That was just the ball. Oh! Guys, I think I'm toast here.
I don't know.
I said this earlier. We're called the Bowlers Company for a reason. Bowlers make our bowling balls. I think maybe I need to hook it like Tyler. I'm like right in between. I don't know how many I'm moving, but this is a good chunk. That's not gonna, oh, wait. Oh. I know what to do. Now we throw the other layout one. Okay, when are we bringing back orange chocolate?
Oh, that's a Chad thing.
That was one of my favorite scents. Chad, if you're watching the video, orange chocolate. Hook me up, brother.
Okay.
All right.
See what I can do.
It's like a,
Okay, what rack do I
I
get
had
now?
a dirty joke, but I'm not gonna say it.
Pressure's
Is
on.
there
huh?
anything that you guys have info-wise that you can tell people that they wouldn't normally know, but doesn't get you in trouble? Oh, it's all trouble.
No, I don't know. There's nothing like.
I gotta sit on this question.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay,
I don't
think
know.
about it.
Wait, hang on. We got a youth bowl over here. Bella, is there anything that you would want to know about bowling balls that you don't think you would be able to find out without asking somebody that works at a bowling ball manufacturer?
Different colors of balls affect how they roll.
Ooh, I feel like we talk about this a lot. She asked, do different colors affect how the balls roll?
Yes.
I feel like that was kind of a secret before, but not as much now.
I think we talked about it, especially with the identities, which are the same as like ball, just different colors, and they roll differently.
I thought the dark one was way better.
Darker, and it's not a myth, it's true. Darker colors go cleaner, have more backhand.
Could you tell them why? I think I know why, but
We're not a tech, we're just marketing.
oh. I can tell you guys what I heard. I heard the darker pigments are liquid based,
Okay.
and the brighter ones are powder based.
Correct.
So the powder based ones are the ones I hooked earlier.
Yeah, could be.
So that's what I learned.
Yeah. Colors affect ball performance.
Yeah, bottom line, yes. So to answer your question, yes.
That's why the big ASIM solids usually are brighter colors. Hook more, earlier.
I think us tour guys need the darker colors for the big balls because they hook too early for us.
Chad?
But it's good.
Again?
It's good for the league bowlers that need the hook.
Yep.
But I get screwed when I bowl on the China because there's free hook, and I make hook.
Okay, let's see.
A negative and a negative don't make a positive. Oh! Do I just tell him now? What's the surprise? As the game goes on, if I feel like I still have a chance to win, I won't tell them. This shot's very telling right here.
It's never over.
It's not over until it's over.
Guys, comment down below what you think the surprise is.
And comment your Discord handle. We're going for the big curve. Oh my God! I feel like the play is to the right. I like how you were saying, we just need you to make the ball look good. And you guys are making the ball look good. No, we never want to make the ball look good. We want the ball to make us look good.
For sure.
Yeah.
All right.
I might be telling him the secret very soon.
All right.
All right, Tyler, step
It's
up.
the backup.
Can you give him a mulligan?
No.
He doesn't want it.
No.
He doesn't want it.
You guys haven't taken one yet. You haven't needed one. You guys could bowl a 24 strike 300 if you took your mulligans.
See it.
Oh, I got
there it
life.
is.
What is this? We got, if you guys, it's still 240. I need an open. I'm in trouble.
What are we doing?
Mulligan, or are you treating your spare? Well,
I think
No, you have to go for the mulligan.
Honestly,
you gotta bowl 300.
for the video, we have to.
For the content.
It's all
like,
you.
It's like when you bowl a tournament, you always go for the count on the splits.
I'm not sure if I can strike now.
But YouTube rules, you always go for it.
Okay.
I'm on your team now.
Team Storm.
Team Storm.
We got Aruba's
All right.
#1 bowler.
Is that a fact?
Yeah. #1 meal bowler for sure.
#1 bowler in Aruba. Yannick.
We got Camila out there too.
Yeah. That looks pretty close. Oh! No!
All right.
That's only -1. All right.
Make our spare.
I still have a chance though. Well, you always throw it straight at your spares, kids. Don't hook it.
Yeah.
I've become a bad spare shooter. I hook it at a lot of spares now.
We're going with the Equinox for the spare as well. Let's hope.
It is an Equinox video.
Which one?
Choosing mine.
One of the fours.
The only,
going with-
only one hand there.
The 3-hole Equinox.
Yeah. There we go.
Chop it.
Woo. that was almost a chop too.
I'm going back to the right. I learned my lesson.
Door is a little bit open.
I learned my lesson. I'm in a must punch out situation. Literally all or nothing here. Gotta go. Oh my God. What happened? Why is my bow hooking so much now?
From practice to frame 4. What a difference.
This is a tough spare. Should I just tell him now?
I think you gotta make the spare first.
I might be out of wood. Do you guys want the surprise now? Like the video right now if you want the surprise. Okay, here's the surprise. Because I lost, I will be giving away an Equinox hybrid. So make sure you guys like the video, comment down below, leave me your Discord handle, I'll reach out to you. And happy Equinox hybrid announcement day, or whatever this, whatever today is.
Now it's my frame. Let's redeem myself.
Yeah, I'm gonna redeem myself too. Can I get the perfect score? 1, I need 2, 4. 4 is the hard one.
Ooh.
The lanes are getting a little clipped.
Yep.
They're like chopped up in really weird spots.
Now you're up. Mulligan for you.
Wait, if you guys open, I got a chance. Never give up. Oh, is Simo done for the day? Did he leave? Oh no, his balls are still there. Maybe he heard us about the racks.
Okay, Tyler.
It was looking so good.
Redemption.
Oh no.
Dang.
Okay.
When Simo said he put out an easy pattern, he put out the hard version of the easy pattern.
It's easy for Simon.
Wait, I still got a chance. Hang on. Hang on.
Oh boy.
I can still win. Wait a second. So if they lose, they give away an Equinox hybrid, not me. If this video gets 2,000 likes.
Okay.
Disclaimer. Oh! Oh! That makes my chances a lot lower now. I'm gonna throw the new layout one.
Okay.
We just gotta keep leaking stuff. This is a layout I've never used before in my life. Never before seeing layout. Wow.
That was good.
This is my new asymmetric layout. Wow.
Where's the?
What are your
The pin is, oh yeah, where's the layout? It's on Patreon.
Patreon?
Link in the
boy.
description down below. The layout's in 2 places. On Patreon and on my ball.
All right, 9th frame.
Oh.
Dang. All right, redemption. That's what we're here for.
I need open for a chance. I need bad count and an open. I think you guys need 9 out to win. Yeah, that's 221.
Darn two-handers.
Cap, we're cooking the lanes.
I'm moving more left.
Maybe? Okay, I need a miss here and
Oh no.
4-3. All right, looks like I'm gonna be giving away an Equinox hybrid here, you guys.
We don't know.
It's your channel. It's just fitting.
That's true. Well, if these guys end up having another surprise, make sure you guys watch till the end of the video. Further instructions to win are gonna be towards the end.
Yes, sir.
Block jaws. The Bowlers Company. The Bowlers Company.
Samuel, you subbing in?
Celebrity shot 10 frames?
I got waxed, bro. Got my ass.
Hey, just because they run the camera don't mean they don't know how to bowl, pal.
The Bowlers Company.
Bowlers Company.
You have to average at least 247 to work for Storm.
That's on the job application, yeah. Required.
Yeah, actually?
They do ask if you're
You
bowling or
have to
not.
average a certain amount. Wait, how did Megan get her job? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make it. I'm sorry.
You should keep that in. Hey, she's learning.
I'm gonna shut up now.
We love you, Megan. Oh, no. You're in? Okay, I'm up. You can have the fill shot.
No mulligan needed.
All of our mulligans have been less than the first one.
Wasn't the best strat. They didn't need it. Didn't matter. I mean, if he chops this, it could be kind of respectable.
Alrighty, let's go, Tyler.
All right, spare
Celebrity
would have
shot.
been 239.
Should we get Simo in here?
Still short. Here, batter up.
Which ball am I throwing?
If Simo strikes here, we'll give away another Equinox.
Am I throwing it one-handed or two-handed here? Do we want to give a ball away or do we not want to give a ball away? We're doing a ball.
Well, I'm already giving one away because they.
Yeah, but I'm saying, do you want to give another one away? Because if we do.
You guys want to give one away.
All right, well, here we go, one-handed.
Here we go. A Simo strike for another ball giveaway. That's got life. Sucks for you guys.
Sorry.
Sorry about your luck, boys and girls.
Honestly, it came off my hand better than anticipated because
Tiny thumb for your thumb hole?
yeah. See, I don't use my thumb, but I know what's up.
This is just B-roll at this point. My new layout. See, pro bowlers don't play in between a certain area.
Right, actually.
It's either we play 10 with the urethane ball or 25 with the reactive ball.
Had to get left of us.
Sky high. Oh, I thought that was gonna be the dirty dog shot.
Yes, sir.
Any comments?
Finish strong.
No comment. That's for comment.
Yeah. No 9-pin, but it doesn't matter.
Equinox hybrid.
No comment.
Equinox hybrid. Yeah!
There it is.
There it is.
Way to get lined up, pal.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Yeah, all right. So, to win the giveaway, to win an Equinox hybrid, brand new, I do think this ball is actually going to be pretty good. I might use it. It does kind of give me Code Red vibes a little bit. Not quite as early, but usability, I feel like I can throw this one a lot. Like, surprisingly, to the right, it looked pretty good. I didn't see that coming until the lane started to hook a little early because Tyler's two-handed also.
That's the purpose of this ball. It's a big ball you can use for longer. I mean, like we said, the Equinox is the league line. It's perfect for those league patterns, and you can use the game 1 till the end of game 3.
I need the league pattern ball. I just shot 140 on the house pattern at a tournament, so maybe this ball helped me be better. But anyways, if you guys want to win this ball, make sure you like the video, comment your Discord handle down below. Make sure you go follow these two on social media. We'll put their links down in the description below because they show you all the cool stuff that goes on at Storm that you may not see from myself or other players or even Storm itself. So thanks again for watching. Thanks to the guys for coming out and bowling. We're doing something special tomorrow, so make sure you guys go over to the Storm channel. That video should be up already. And yeah, we'll see you on that video. Thanks for watching.
That's good.
Yeah.